Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Monad update for you guys. Monad sitting just under 29 cent. I mean, this chart is growing. This chart is showing, the power of layer ones. Once successful, the layer one trade in this space has always been the most successful. From the inception of Ethereum, you buy Ethereum, then the creation of smart contracts go live. You buy coins in the ecosystem, and then you just hold as time progresses, and then boom, you instantly make generational wealth, man. You saw it with Ethereum, Solana, a bit of Cardano, Sui kind of, had a little to it, a little sauce, just a little bit. Avalanche had some sauce with that as well. Phantom did as well, right? The layer one trade is like the layer one trade is one that never fails as long as we have the right technology, the right technology, the right community and team behind said layer one. So in this case, we see Monad being another potentially fantastic layer one trade playing out right before our eyes, right? So if you bought, again, like I said, if you bought when I first started to cover Monad once again at 185 cent down here, this is when I started to cover it. You're up in some nice profits right now. You're almost at a 2x, right? When we get to 4 cent back to the all-time high, you could literally just de-risk your Monad bags if you, take out your initials with some profits and let the rest ride, right? Just to be on the safe side. And it's doing great, man. It really is. So from 200 mil to now 312.25 million for Monad. And in the rankings, right? Let's go through the rankings because I just want to show you guys. Monad is still extremely undervalued here, right? Again, CoinMarketCap shows the circulating market cap, right? Why do I think a $1 to $3 Monad is possible? Well, Monad in its rankings is ranked by a circulating market cap of 313 million market cap right now. For Monad to get to $1 with 10.8 billion circulating, it just has to flip Chainlink, right? Can Monad flip Chainlink? Yes, I think it can. I think that is extremely possible for that to happen. So right now, if you take a look at CoinMarketCap, Monad isn't even in the top 100. It's literally under Dog with Hat. Can Monad flip Dog with Hat, get to the top 100? I think that's possible. I think that's very possible. Monad is even under projects like Jasmy and Fartcoin right now. Can Monad flip Jasmy and Fartcoin, being the fastest, most programmable EVM, most easy to build on EVM project? Because the team makes sure to make sure the programming language was very easy. So can Monad flip Jasmy and Fartcoin? I think that's the case, right? Oh my gosh, can Monad flip Radium and Pippin? Pippin went from 20 mil to 500 mil market cap because whatever crime took place on Binance leverage, whatever. Man, it's crazy how this space is, but yeah, here you go. Monad, 317 million market cap right now at 135. So Monad is still below Pippin because, like I said, CoinMarketCap ranks by circulating market cap, right? So Monad right now is still below Pippin. It's still below Fartcoin and Jasmy. All right, let's go to the top 100 once again, man. I'm just showing you guys. I'm not when I say price predictions and I show you guys like how it could be possible. You guys don't even apologize to me and say, you know what, you were right, I was wrong. You guys don't even apologize in the comment section. You guys would be like, no, you're wrong. And I'll show you why. A $1 to $3 price prediction is actually possible, and you don't even come in the comment section be like, you know what, you might have a point. You don't even do that. After you make your comment saying, oh, you're wrong, I don't see you guys again. Where you go? Where'd you go, man? Where'd you guys go? So it's still below Dog with Hat. Monad is still below Dog with Hat. Can you imagine that Monad is still below Dog with Hat? That is so crazy. Can you say the price is free right now? I think the price is free right now. It's still below Floki. It's below SPX 6900. Okay, keep going. It's below Say. You know, it's below Casper personally. I know they got like Casper bulls out there, but I think Monad is better than Casper personally. It's below ICP. I think Monad is better than ICP. I've traded on ICP. It was the most clunky experience ever. I think I'm just laughing at that. I'm just laughing at how undervalued Monad is, man. It's below Pepe. I'll give Pepe some props, the most famous meme in existence. Okay, I get it. I get it. But you know, once we get up to Pepe and Tau, BitTensor Tau, I'll give Tau a lot of respect as well. One of the best AI projects in the space. You know, once Monad gets up to Pepe and Tau, that's almost a 10x from here, right? That's gonna put Monad at like what, 30 cents? I think that's the case, right? So yeah, that's like a 10x from here to get to Pepe and Tau's market cap, and again, circulating market cap, right? So Monad gets above Shiba Inu. You don't think Monad could get above Shiba Inu? You don't think Monad could get above Sui? I've traded on Sui and I like Monad better personally. You don't think Monad could get above Chainlink? Chainlink is a great oracle, great use case, but the layer 1 trade, what are people saying about Monad? Monad is the Solana killer, right? If Monad is the Solana killer, shouldn't it get up to Solana's market cap or even flip it with its in the future? If it's the Solana killer, right? So doesn't that mean it flips Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Dogecoin, etc.? And if it flips these things to be the Solana killer, right, which is what most of us have, you know, seen with the TA and everything from Monad, if it flips these things, it's at $1. It's at $2-3, right? So there you go, guys. I'm not going too much into it here. Monad looking great. This chart very powerful. Don't ask me that I didn't tell you. I told you yesterday about Mon. Delicious. Very nice chart. We're gonna be making a move to new all-time high soon. Mon is so back, and the farmers who called it dead are nowhere to be seen. As always, you know how that always goes. The trading volume of Monad is so massive. So right now, oh, look at that. Okay, there you go. Monad is a Solana killer, right? Right now it has more volume than all of its competitors. It's BTC, ETH, Sol, and Monad. Monad has the 4th highest volume on whatever website this is. I'm not sure what trading site this is, but whatever trading site this person is using, Monad has the 4th highest volume, right? Just below Solana, right? Again, I don't know what else to say, man. Imagine how you feel when Mon turns this resistance into support. I can understand we are all those people who are creating unrealistic FUD in the first week after TGE. Next stop for Mon, if we don't have any more corrections, consolidation phases here, is potentially a new all-time high. Remember, we're above the Coinbase ICO price right now. Next stop potentially will be a new all-time high for Monad, man. And from George Trader, cleanest chart out there in my opinion. These charts that I'm showing you guys are very powerful, man. As you guys can see, Mon is holding above these, you know, previous resistance. It turned it into support, you know, for the next leg higher. Just very powerful charts, man. So Mon looking great, guys. As always, none of this is financial advice. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, I think, you know, 100,000 Mon right now at $2,930 is a great bet. 100,000 Mon. You know, if you can't afford it, go 50,000 Mon. I think, like I said, $1 is very possible for this project by the end of the year, right? So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe. None of this financial advice. Catch you in the next one.